Hey guys, welcome back to the pool. This thing kicked our ass, but we're gonna go over that. Welcome to the Renaissance Builder. All right guys, I'm gonna give you a little lowdown of what happened last year and why the pool water was so extremely dirty. Last year, I was about to close up the pool. I thought I cleaned it good enough, didn't do it. So, when we put the cover on, I drained it down, put the cover on, put a massive pillow in the center, which was supposed to stay in the center, it went off to the side. It was a disaster. I just didn't do it right. About the only thing I did right was add the proper amount of chemicals to close it. But other than that, that's why it got so dirty, skunky, because every leaf from that tree decided to make its way back into my pool. How? I don't know. But anyway, they just sat at the bottom of the pool for the entire winter. The beginning of this year, they were rotting in the pool. They skunked out the water.
So according to my numbers, less than 1% of you are actually subscribed. I'll tell you what, it would help us out a lot if you actually smash that subscribe button. Right, Kira?
It was days. Heck, I had to call in a pool company to bring in their little autonomous robots to come in and clean all the crap off the bottom of my pool, because I would have had to change the DE in this filter because it filters down to roughly 2 microns. I would have had to have cleaned it every five minutes. DE is expensive. So the pool company came out, vacuumed into a bag rather than put through my system. After them doing that, we had to chemically treat it with liquid shock, because when he cleaned the pool, it stirred everything up, everything. So this pool was nasty. After that, he poured the liquid shock in, and then I just had to sit here and babysit the pool for days on end, cleaning the DE whenever it needed it to keep filtering and filtering and filtering. And then after it filtered so well for a while, everything got clear. But I mean, we're talking, this is going what now, Alex? 2 weeks? 2 weeks of time. This pool should have been open in 2 days rather than 2 weeks. So, like I said, we're on week 2 and it's still not completely clean. All right, I'm gonna go over a few things that we're gonna do differently this year. First, you gotta make sure that the chemicals are right before closing the pool down, period. Vacuum it out, make sure it's clean. Once it's clean, chemicals are straight, then you can go get your winterization kit. Get your winterization kit, winterize the pool, and then when you're gonna go close it up, the pillow in the center, we're gonna use a sandbag to keep it from moving left to right. We're going to put a tarp over it. That pillow should keep it up so water doesn't pool in it. We're gonna use the gallon milk jugs to hold it down nice and taut all the way around, because they got brass eyelets in it. And we're gonna keep the water up this year rather than draining it down, because we're gonna get a plate for the pool, for the skimmer housing, and I'm gonna take the eye out and put a cap on. That's gonna take care of that. So again, thanks for tuning in. And basically the moral of this story, since it was very short, wasn't very informative other than trying to get a point of properly winterize your pool. It'll be so much easier in the summer when you're gonna go start it up. Plus, it won't take you, probably gonna go on to about 3 weeks till this is perfect. It'll take 2 days and it'll be perfect. So again, like I said, thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe. The upcoming videos are gonna be about a homemade vacuum. Drop a comment, let us know what you think about doing the video on a homemade vacuum, and then also a little robot that I got, a little robot vacuum. saves you time, you know, because I don't have a deck. It's really hard to vacuum from this point. So again, catch you guys later. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye-bye.
Hey Kira, are you ready to go swimming?
Yes.
You ready for the pool?